Openly flouting social distancing rules, thousands of football supporters gathered in the streets to celebrate the local championships final. It was the latest infringement of restrictions in the Colombian capital, just as the mayor said the city has officially entered a second wave of COVID-19 infections, while at the same time announcing new measures for the end of the year.
I
need to insist to Bogotanos there will be no public parties, no selling and consuming alcohol on December 31st and January 1st. If you get together with family, please only the closest circle.
Colombian authorities are also concerned that intensive care units are again at capacity in a number of regions, and doctors are sounding the alarm, especially since the country will not start vaccinations before the end of February.
There is an issue of the government improvising. We are at the tail end in Latin America with Guatemala. We will start with the Pfizer vaccines, but will only be able to do the vaccination in major centers like Bogota or Medellin, not in remote areas, and we haven't bought enough vaccines.
But other countries are moving faster. On Tuesday, Argentina started vaccinating its healthcare workers with the first 300,000 doses of the Russian Sputnik vaccine, despite critics questioning its efficacy.
For
those of us who work on the front line of care with critical patients, this is an advance. I understand there are different positions and opinions in every community, as there are in the healthcare and science communities. But personally, I feel vindicated by the data reported by the Gamaleya Institute, which is who created the vaccine.
In Brazil, President Jair Bolsonaro brought some clarity to the rollout at the end of a charity football match, saying vaccines will be available 5 days after being approved by the country's federal health regulators on January 15th. But in the meantime, the city of Rio de Janeiro announced its fabled beaches will be closed to the public on New Year's Eve. Vaccinations are also underway in Chile and Costa Rica, probably the two best placed countries in the region. But many others still have to present a clear rollout plan, and there are growing concerns of delays, which ensures most people will have to wait many more months before being inoculated, and that there will be, unfortunately, many more cases and deaths. Alessandro Rampietti, Al Jazeera, Bogota.